people, welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. How are you guys doing? So today's video is gonna be on my skincare, my morning skincare routine. So I recently got this Sugar Coffee Culture range, and oh my god, look at the packaging, guys. It's such a cute jute bag, looks so cute, and they have literally filled in some coffee beans and it smells divine. If you are a coffee lover, you will love this. I'll be diving right into my skincare routine. So if you guys want to know my morning skincare routine featuring the Coffee Culture range, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start my skincare. So we have 4 products right here. So I know most of the time you guys get confused and you guys don't know to what exactly put in your skincare, but I would suggest just keep it simple and you will be amazed how your skin changes. So I've told you guys that I've stopped doing my skincare, but my skin was really clogged up and it was really bad, so I decided to just start doing my skincare again. They have basically 4 products and it's really simple. That's what you need to do a proper skincare. So the first product right here is called Coffee Culture Pore Purifying Mask. The entire range smells like coffee because obviously it's a coffee culture range. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this now, and this is how the packaging look. They are keeping the packaging really simple. That's really good because what matters is the product inside the tube. So this is their Sugar Cosmetic Cruelty Free product, Coffee Culture Pore Purifying Mask. Deep cleanses, tightens pores and rejuvenates. Apply this mask evenly to fresh, clean skin. Let it dry completely. Gently remove with warm water and pat dry. So I'm going to be using this with you guys so you guys can see how it actually performs. And I'm going to be using this brush. So I'm going to take about that much and I'll just start putting that on my skin. And also avoid the eye area. You don't want to put anything near your eyes. So you can apply this using a brush. Also you can totally go ahead and do it with your hands. It's totally fine, but I prefer brush because it spreads really nicely. I'm gonna keep that for like 5 to 10 minutes and let that dry really nicely. So now while I have my mask on, I'm gonna also use this lip scrub. Oh my god, this lip scrub is heaven. So this is their Coffee Culture lip scrub and this is how it looks. It's a very cute black bullet. It looks like a lipstick, but it's not. And I'm also gonna just apply that on my lips and massage it. So this is how my skin looks after I washed my face. It feels so clean and so good. So this lip scrub have coffee granules, caffeine to tighten lips that make lips smooth and delicate and gently removes the dry skin and aging lip cells. This scrub also has olive fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, coffee seed oil or almond oil, glycerin. It is so moisturizing. Once I have it on my lips, I can totally see a difference. Although I would suggest you guys to keep this in fridge because this has so much of glycerin that it kind of starts melting if you just keep it outside. So I would suggest you guys to keep it in the fridge so that it stays like that. Okay, so now my skin is all ready for some serum. I'm going to be using this Coffee Culture Brightening Serum. And this is so good. The texture feels so moisturizing. This is how the packaging looks, and I'm gonna be shaking that a little bit and I'm gonna be applying that directly onto my face and massage it really nicely. It instantly feels so moisturizing. Oh my god, the fragrance is so good. It's literally feeling that I'm rubbing coffee on my face. It's so good, so good. It's like a wake me up for your skin. It's so good. I'm in love with this serum. So once I'm happy with that and after massaging that into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye foaming cream. This is their Coffee Culture eye foaming cream and this is how it looks. This is a tube packaging, but they have these balls which are really soothing once you apply your cream. So you just gotta pump the cream out, apply that underneath your eyes and just massage it. This feels so good, so calming, so relaxing. The balls are really cold, so it feels good. It's really good for depuffing your under eyes. So this eye cream has anti-aging properties which also helps in reduce dark circles and under eye puffiness. After I apply my cream with the roll-ons, I'm just gonna spread that even more and kind of dab it underneath my eyes with my ring finger. I'll also take that on top of my eyelids because usually people forget about this area, but don't forget that. And this eye cream is also filled with organic ingredients, which includes a combination of selected powerful yet gentle plant-based active ingredients. This is my morning skincare routine. I usually do my mask and scrub in 2 to 3 days. When I feel like my skin is a little cloggy, and rest serum and eye cream I'm using every day. This skincare range is perfect for doing your morning skincare routine because the coffee fragrance literally wakes you up. It's caffeine for your skin. So this entire range will be available on Sugar Cosmetics, so I'll put that link down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed my morning skincare routine. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.